going to shake it really well. Open up the toilet lid. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hey everyone, David with Chef Media Group here. Today in this video, we're going to be checking out the Poo Pourri Toilet Spray. We did acquire this product on our own, and any opinion expressed is simply our own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. You can see the retail box and packaging right here walking us through how to use the spray. You can also see we have the original citrus scent, but they have multiple scents available, and they also have different capacities as well too, depending on how portable you want this spray to be. Maybe you want more spray because you're leaving it in the bathroom, or maybe you want less spray because you're keeping this in your purse or your pocket. They have you covered. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the contents as you'd expect. We just have the bottle right here with the removable cap. Really easy to apply as needed. Just for fun, let's spray it. Definitely has a really nice citrus scent. Definitely pleased with that aroma. But again, there's so many different options you can choose online. Now let's go ahead and really try it out. So we're at the toilet. It's time to do our business. First thing we're going to do is we're going to shake it really well. Then we're going to go ahead, we're going to remove the cap, open up the toilet lid, and we're going to spray it 3 to 5 times right at the water line. So here we go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now it's time to do our business. Don't think for a minute you're just limited to bathroom use with this spray. I found it highly effective to help control the terrible smell coming out of the diaper pail in our baby's room. So it's great when you install a new bag to go ahead, give it a couple of courtesy sprays, but also as you continue to fill up the diaper pail, it works really well to help mask and neutralize the smell. So I can't recommend this product enough. Again, not even just in the bathroom, but if you have other smelly applications like a nursery and your diaper pail, this is definitely worthwhile.